Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you make your Mac look aesthetic. Start by personalizing your desktop wallpaper with a high-resolution image that inspires you. Next, organize your desktop icons into neat folders or stacks to reduce clutter. Finally, customize your dock's appearance and icon size for a cleaner, more streamlined look. These simple steps form the foundation of a beautiful and functional Mac setup. Once you've mastered the basics, dive deeper into customization. Consider using custom icon packs to give your applications and folders a unique, unified appearance. Explore various third-party applications designed for advanced theme management, allowing for greater control over your Mac's visual elements. Don't forget to adjust system fonts and colors to ensure a truly cohesive and personalized design across your entire operating system. If you're finding these tips helpful for making your Mac look amazing, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. And speaking of keeping things clean and aesthetic, why not upgrade your home with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It's perfect for maintaining a spotless environment, just like your newly organized Mac. Check the description for the product link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. An aesthetic Mac isn't just about looks. It also enhances productivity. Implement a consistent color palette across your applications for a harmonious visual experience. Utilize widgets for quick access to essential information and tools, keeping your workflow efficient. Remember to regularly declutter your downloads and documents folders. A clean digital space contributes significantly to a focused and productive environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.